That was cool. That's a giant. Look at that.
I see that.
That is a big smallmouth.
Wow, holy cow.
Look at that, Candy. That's a big smallmouth. I can't get the hook out. It's hooked in the hard part of the roof of the mouth.
He don't want to play.
He don't want to play. All right, now
look at that.
Try.
There we go.
Candy, you got to hold that fish.
Yeah.
Hold your thumb in the mouth. They don't have teeth.
No, I got to get my gloves on.
Just like Victor's doing there.
Look at that. That's a nice fish.
Yeah, that's good fatty.
Stick your finger
In the mouth. Thumb in the mouth. There you go.
and I'll get out of the way and then I'll take a picture.
Yeah, look at that.
Then
I got it.
take one up and down now.
Yeah.
Let go of his tail and put your hand down so you can see your face.
Yeah.
There you look at that. That's a big
Nice
smallmouth.
fish.
Nice fish.
Good job. Maybe it's a wally.
That's a smallmouth.
Oh,
Gotta get it.
little smallie.
Oh, that little.
Well, kinda. Compared to the last fish you caught.
Well, yeah.
Well, this is Fishing with Tater.
What?
It's been pretty quiet since Victor caught that sturgeon earlier today. Having troubles with the boat motor, as luck would have it, so we decided we're gonna fish from shore now. So here we are fishing from shore. There's Victor and Candy down there. And we're gonna see what we can do from shore. So tomorrow's another day. This is Tater. Talk to you later. Got to be a little bitty. Look at there. I finally caught a sturgeon on my own pole.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna watch Victor take it off. Them spines will get you. Look at that.
Yeah,
He's
look at.
so
see,
cute.
touch
Oh,
them. Touch them. See what how they are.
Wow, they're sharp.
They're sharp. And I think
Wow.
this is just my theory, but when they're this little, anything can eat them. But who wants to eat something that's got
Yeah, it's like eating a mouthful of hooks.
blades? Yeah.
Wow,
You know?
those are sharp.
Look at that.
Cute.
Holy.
Isn't that so cute?
It is cute. That's why I say they look like a cartoon character or something. Don't
Yeah.
they?
All right, goodbye. Thanks for the fun.
Zip.
So ends another fishing adventure with Tater. I caught 2 sturgeon yesterday. Fell out of my cot, fell off the cot last night in the middle of the night. Let the air out of the air mattress because it was unplated partially anyway, and I couldn't sleep on a partially inflated air mattress. And Victor's zipper broke on his tent. It was a night of mishaps. But we sure had fun. Look at how low that water level is. Well, we'll see you next time. This is Fishing Sturgeon with Tater. Talk to you later.